This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the bonnet release lever inside the vehicle. Pull the bonnet safety latch in the direction of the arrow, then raise the bonnet upwards. First remove the engine top cover. Disconnect the wiring from the coil by pressing the connector towards the coil, then depress the locking catch and carefully pull the connector off the coil. Very carefully pull the ignition coils upwards while avoiding damage to the coil's thinner lower ribs. Withdraw the coils from the engine, noting their locations for refitting. It is advisable to remove the dirt from the spark plug recesses using a clean brush, vacuum cleaner or compressed air before removing the plugs to prevent dirt dropping into the cylinders. Unscrew the plugs using a spark plug spanner, suitable box spanner or a deep socket and extension bar. Keep the socket aligned with the spark plug. If it is forcibly moved to one side, the ceramic insulator may be broken off. Before fitting the spark plugs, check that the threaded connector sleeves are tight and that the plug exterior surfaces and threads are clean. Smear a bit of anti-seize compound onto the threads of the plugs. It's often difficult to screw in new spark plugs without cross-threading them. This can be avoided by using a piece of rubber hose fitted over the end of the spark plug. The flexible hose acts as a universal joint to help align the plug with the plug threads, and the hose will slip on the spark plug, preventing thread damage to the aluminium cylinder head. Remove the rubber hose, if used, and tighten the plug to the specified torque using the spark plug socket and a torque wrench. Refit the remaining spark plugs in the same manner. Refit the ignition coils to their noted locations. Connect the coil wiring plugs. Refit the engine top cover and tighten the fasteners securely.